Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to be unboxing this right here. Now you might have got this for your Mac especially because they all come with USB-C and Thunderbolt now, so this is the thing to buy. And for those of you who use PC, same deal really. It's going to work just fine for both. So we're just going to unpackage this. Now remember to see this in action setup video for Mac especially. I do have a separate video. Now right here you can see everything that came inside the box, which does include this user installation guide, which again you won't need, and this as well. So there's a few notes right here. This little note as well. Just gonna put this on the side. Now the cable, I was expecting USB-C to USB-C. This almost doesn't make sense. That it comes with a USB, and then there's your USB-C. So for a lot of people, this is a good thing, but for others, such as me, this is not the best. Because they should have just gave us an extra cable at least. That's just USB-C to USB-C. But technically, this would go right here. And then you've got extra power, and that would go over there. So all we got is this. So we got our connection. We need to hook this up. Then right here, this will be towards our Mac or PC. And here's our hub. As you can see, we've got USB 3.0s. And if you want to turn one on, you just press down, press down, press down to turn each one on that you want to be working at any point in time. So they're very, very useful. It's actually way smaller than what I thought it would be. On the back, there isn't much information to look at. Let me just do a close-up so you guys can see a little bit more of the information. Then on the top, that's it. On the other side, nothing. Pretty standard. It's just a hub. It's very light. I did see some comments from people on the reviews. They were talking about this just slipping everywhere. And yes, I mean, if you have cables here, obviously this will just slide all over the place because there's no grips and it didn't come with anything so you can attach it to anything. So I would say this is more for travel, or you would have to adjust it somehow. Just make it steady wherever you want it to be. But as far as this unboxing goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.